Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 1. What are the causes of student failure? 120 points, 1,250 words, Thursday and Sunday due dates. Okay, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. You are watching this video about this assignment. We have an animated click here icon with an overview, a discussion rubric, and important information about a research paper. You'll need to click on and view the information in each of these links. The overview, of course, is an overview to this assignment. The discussion rubric explains to you how I will grade the essay you write and the peer evaluations in this discussion. And important information about a research paper explains to you what a research paper is. So you'll want to review that. Okay, scrolling down, we have a part 1 due by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, and part 1 is an essay, and you'll need to read all of this information carefully and click on the English 101 essay requirements to find out what they are. Now, for the essay, you will be required to read 5 short articles in the works cited at the end of these directions. And the works cited are right here. So how will you access them? Well, just go ahead and copy the title, or go ahead and copy the link and put it in a Google search window, and the article will pop up right away. Okay, I'm going to scroll back up and look at the part 2, which is due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. You are going to respond to 4 peers' work. So you'll want to read this carefully and make sure your responses are following directions. Now, I am available to you at any time in inbox over here. If I need to clarify directions, you have questions for me or suggestions, I'm ready to learn from you. So go ahead and message me here. Any message is welcome from you. You're never messaging me too much to discuss the work in our class. Okay, one important note to you, and I'm going to go back up to the syllabus here. And I'm going to click on number 10, Late Assignments Policy. You'll need to read this very carefully. We are in a 5-week course. I am unwilling to accept late assignments except in an extreme emergency. So it's very important that you submit assignments on time. Okay, any questions or concerns again? I'm over here in inbox. All right, I'm going to click on the back arrow twice, get back into our assignment, which just did something strange. I have a touch screen, but here we are. We're back into our assignment. Again, questions or concerns, or to chat with me, I am here for you. All right, let's have fun.